Hi, my name is Keith. So Neswap is an arbitrage trading platform of which I reviewed over about a month ago. So in this video there are some updates with Neswap, and one of the updates is that you can actually get to install the Android app or the app for your iPhone. So what you need to do is simply visit neswap.com, and you're going to see this button over here which says scan and download the Neswap app. So what you need to do is simply click on more clients and you'll be redirected to this page. So on this page you can simply click here to download the app from the Google Play Store, which will direct you to this page. But as you can see, this app is not available for any of my devices. If this thing happens to you as well, then what you can do is simply download the Android app directly from this website by clicking on the download here. Then simply download it on your phone and then install it. So for now I'll simply cancel this. Okay, if you're using an iPhone, you can as well download it by clicking on this button over here. So even though I made step-by-step tutorials showing you how to create an account, how to do everything, for example in this video over here, I'll simply go through the basic steps again on how to get started. So I'm simply going to summarize, but you might want to watch this full video over here to get to understand everything. So as I said earlier on, the first step is to create an account. So simply click on sign up now, or you can use the link in the description. Remember, enter username. A username does not need to have space. Enter your correct email address and enter the password and repeat the same password. Then enter the verification code which you will see here. So for this you simply have to enter a valid email address, then you will see the captcha. Then when you send here, you're going to receive a code to your email, and simply paste the code here and simply click on sign up. So as for me, I already have an account. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on sign in to log into my account right away. So let me just do that. Then as you can see, to log in I have to enter the code from my two-factor authentication. So I'm going to show you how you can actually do this. Okay, so I've finally logged in into my account. So once you create an account, you're going to receive free 5 USDT. So this free 5 USDT, we can actually use it to trade. Okay, and to view this 5 USDT, you simply have to click on the wallet. Okay, and it will be given to you automatically once you create an account, and you're going to see in this balance. So as for me, I currently have about 25 USDT, and I'm going to withdraw it right away. If you'd like to withdraw this 5 USDT which you're going to receive for free, what you need to do is, okay, according to Neswap, they're saying that for you to be able to withdraw it, you need to first activate an auto trading for a minimum of 10 days. Okay, and you need to deposit an additional like $30 for you to be able to withdraw it. Okay, and again, before you can be able to withdraw, there is one more step you need to do, and the step is that you need to click on the settings. Then on the right bar you're going to see the two-factor authentication. So the reason why you're not seeing the steps to configure the two-factor authentication is because I've already done it. So what you need to do is you need to install the two-factor authentication on your iPhone or on your Android phone and bind it. Once you do that, okay, you're going to secure your account, and your account will be secure and you'll be able to withdraw. So once you're done with this step, the next step, if you'd like to begin the arbitrage trading, is the depositing. So like the depositing, simply click on the wallet again. Then from here you choose the cryptocurrency you'd like to recharge. So if you'd like to recharge with USDT, okay, simply scroll down and find the USDT and simply click on account recharge. Then simply enter in the amount you'd like to deposit and click on top up. Then you'll be given the address to send to, and you'll be given the QR code which you can actually scan and send the money to. Okay, then if you'd like to withdraw, for example right now I want to withdraw this 25 USDT. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on withdraw, but before that let me just copy my USDT TRC20 wallet address. So I'm going to get mine from yellow card. So I'm going to click on yellow card, I'm going to click on send receive, so I'll choose the receive and I'll click on copy. So I've copied it. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on withdraw. Then let me enter in the wallet address. I'm going to paste it. Then I would like to withdraw 25 USDT. $25 and I need to enter the Google authentication code, and I'm going to click on withdraw, and I'm going to get of about 24 point. Okay, the code is wrong. Let me re-enter it again. Okay, then I'm going to receive about 24.625 USDT. I'm going to click on withdraw. Okay, so my withdraw is successful. So let me just go back and see to. So as you can see, my withdraw is pending review. So while I'm waiting for the withdraw to be processed successfully, let me also talk about the trading, the different types of trading. So there's the manual trading and the automatic. So the manual trading, this is where you actually trade on your own, but the automatic is the one I recommend you to do. So what you need to do is simply click on the auto mode, then choose an order book. So if you deposit USDT, okay, choose this fourth order book over here and choose, okay, select the plan you would like. For example, the 10 days where you get of about 7% in 10 days, or the 30 days when you get 22%, or whichever you want. So click on select. Once you are done, simply click on create order and you'll be able to see your earnings here. So I already talked about how arbitrary, how this is all done, so you might want to watch this video here. So let's check if the withdrawal has been processed successfully. Okay, so the withdrawal is still pending review. Okay, the last time I tried this, it didn't take more than 10 minutes, so let's give it some more time. Okay, so while I'm waiting for the withdrawal to be processed again, let me talk about one other thing as well. So there's the part which is the recommendation part. So the recommendation part, this is where you can actually get to make some money by participating in the referral program, and this is how much you can make. So simply click on copy the referral link and share with anyone.